made it through that. I gotta go get this. My thermal gun. Anything else up there I need? Nope, I'm good for right now. Life on when nobody hit me. Alright, this is what I need here. I need this wood plank. Might need a little scooter just to get around the driveway. Alright. I need another scooter just in case that one breaks down. Alright. Hurry before a car comes. Another brick, just in case. Make as much room as I can. I wouldn't pole or sun tight. Maybe I got a plug, maybe a metal pole. But then we get to go almost. Alright. For that. What else? Let's see. Go get some for that thing in the back. No coming? No. I need to try some things out. Well, I'm gonna need to try this. Oh, whoa. Right. Not come this way, but I just want to put the safety on. Just in case. Alright then, this is what I'm doing this. Now see this? My papa used that for his crane. The hugging black pipes in that I showed you. Yeah, just so you know what I'm doing. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna uncharge it. if y'all live in the country, y'all see what these are for. Like, I live in a hand country. So I know these are for. You put these over there at that 6-foot pencil tailpipe, and then hold it. I might use that. Hold on, guys. If you're watching this, I know this might be a little sucky. I know you think I'll never be a truck driver, but I'm just doing this and I'm on my way to my house. And then like a cop might pull me over. It's for this like on a four-wheeler, you know what I mean? No, not, I mean, I'm back. My little setup, I think I'm ready for the. I think I'm ready for the thing, don't you? Alright guys, I'm back. Right here. Oh, yeah, good. Let's see. Flag is gone somewhere. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Let it. Hold on, guys. It's a little windy. Oh, I might hit like. Oops. What I'm doing is that gold right there. If you, there you see. Oh, definitely. See, just go. Oh, just straight. Let me get the ball. Oh, snap. Can't do a basketball. It's gonna be hard to see and stuff. Okay. The ball. See if I make it. Ready? Ah, almost. Over there. Swish! Oh, let's see. I got that. If I make this, man, your girlfriend likes me. If I make it. Ah! Damn it. One of y'all stay.